We're going to call this one amazing bike, Kawasaki Z6R or Ninja 636. Incredible bike, 2005, very, very well taken care of, and an amazing bike to ride. On the street, I've did a few track days with it. It has a full Muzzies exhaust, new tires last year, fresh oil change, new battery, runs amazing. I'll go as far as comparing it to a 2018 Gixxer 600 as far as its performance and everything. Years later, this bike keeps up with the newer 600s. Here's a cold start. It has about 25,430, and it runs just like it's new. Never been laid over. One amazing bike.